Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Sheikh Faizan. Today's date is 30 January 2024. Today's my technical topic is types of constructor in Java programming language. First of all, what are the constructor and what are the main use of constructor? Firstly, constructor are the special type of method and it is a set of block of code that is used to initialize an object, means it's called when an object is created. Constructor are methods special type of which are used to perform various functions and special functions. uh, I will discuss the properties and the characteristics of the constructor. Firstly, constructor name as same as a class name, and constructor does not have any return type, not only void type. It is no having a return type, and constructor used for the initializing of the object of a particular class. There are basically two types of constructor. First is default constructor, second is user defined constructor. First is default constructor. For example, we have created one class, and in which class we don't write the any constructor, then JVM or Java automatically provide constructor to the execution of the program and it will execute successfully. It is called default constructor. Default constructor introduced when we not even one constructor add in our program. It is added by JVM. It is called as default constructor. Next is user defined constructor. User defined constructor, it is that type of constructor then the user can create that type of constructor. For example, we can create a class, then we need to perform the specific perform the operation, and for example inheritance for the accessing the data from of the parent class into the child class. Then we need to create an object of a class, then we can use the user defined constructor for the initializing the data of the particular class. And we can create a multiple constructor in a class for the special objects. Constructor having a parameters, we can declare a multiple parameterized constructor as your need. It is the two types of constructor. Next is constructor is write by using of new keywords, and constructor have a ability to initialize that particular object in our program. Next example we can understand by that program. For example, we have two classes, for example class A and class B. Then we need to extend the class property of class A into the class B. Then we basically use the extend keywords for the inheriting the properties of the parent class into the child class. Then we need to create an object of that particular child class. Then suppose we have a child class, that is class B, then we can create the object of the B class, and we can get the properties of both class, parent class as well as child class. Then we can create that particular constructor or object by using of constructor. Then we write the, for example, class A and object name then is equal to new class name, means that is a new and class name. It is a syntax of object for using the initializing the particular object. And we can also use for the parenting class into the child class. We have already used the constructor for the specify the initializing the object, and when the calling of the method is particularly going on, then also constructor is include that particular scenario. It is the overall about the constructor and its type. Thank you.